Today I will explain about mole concept from chemistry. Mole concept from chemistry. Before going to mole concept, some basic concepts are there. Atom. So what is atom? Here atom is invented by Dalton. Okay. Atom is invented by Dalton. And atom is known as, it is the smallest particle takes place in chemical reaction. It is the smallest particle takes place in a chemical reaction. Okay. So in this, this is the definition of atom. Atom is the smallest particle takes place in a chemical reaction. And Maharshi Kanad. Here Maharshi Kanad is a Indian philosopher. He introduced Anu as molecule and Parmanu as atom. Okay, Anu as molecule and Parmanu as atom in Sanskrit. Okay, he is a Indian philosopher. Okay. So in atom, we learned about atom. Atom means, for example, there are so many atoms. 118 elements are there. 118 elements are there. In one of the element I am taking Mg, magnesium. Magnesium as like this atom will be divided as substance. Okay, so Mg is an atom that consists of so many or subatomic particles like electrons. In this, protons and neutrons. Okay. So we learned atom and how we will measure the atom weight. So here there is a unit called atomic mass unit. AMU. Atomic mass unit. Okay. So simply it is known as unified mass. Unified unit or mass. Okay. So in this, atomic mass unit is also known as Dalton, Avogadro, Aston, etc. Okay. So in this, for example, I am taking first one, magnesium. Magnesium. The atomic mass of Mg is, magnesium is 24 AMU. Like this we can write. Okay. Or 24 avogadro. Okay. So this is atomic mass unit. And here next one, atomic weight. Atomic weight. So atomic weight means, in atomic mass we use the unit AMU. In atomic mass no units are there. No units. It is a mere number. Mere number means simply a number. For example, I took aluminium, Al, which means it has 27 AMU atomic mass, and atomic weight will be 27, only a number. See here, atomic weight is defined as comparison between an element mass and 1/12 part of carbon atom. Okay. Comparison between an element and 1/12 part of an carbon atom. For example, here I took here oxygen. Oxygen weight is, atomic mass is 16 AMU by 1/12 part of carbon atom means 1 AMU. Okay. So here AMU gets cancelled. So 16 by 1, 16 is the atomic weight. So we can call as, it is a mere number and it is also no units. It have no units. Okay. And atomic weight is also known as relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass, RAM. Why relative atomic mass is called as means, we are comparing the any atomic mass by with 1 AMU means 1/12 part of carbon atom. So here AMU gets cancelled, so it becomes 16. It is a mere number. It is also, it have no units. So we can call as, this method we can call as relative atomic mass, RAM. Okay. Next one, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass, which means weight of an atom, which is written as in grams. Okay, for example, see here, neon. Neon means 20 AMU. 20 AMU. So we can write as 20 as a atomic weight and 20 grams as gram atomic mass. Okay, 20 grams, 20 as atomic weight and 20 AMU as atomic mass. Okay. And the next concept, molecule. Molecule. Here molecule is invented by Avogadro. Molecule is invented by Avogadro. So here molecule means combination of two or more atoms which exist independently or not. Okay, here molecule means combination of two or more atoms which exist independently or not. For example, here magnesium is there. Magnesium does not exist independently as like this one. 2 Mg2, which means a molecule. It is the combination of two magnesium atoms, so it can exist independently. Okay, exist independently. So we have to combine two atoms. For example, here neon. Neon means only one. So we can say this is exists independently, like this only. Okay. And this is molecule. And next one, molecular mass. Molecular mass. Here we already learned atomic mass. Atomic mass means only the weight, the mass of oxygen atom. But in molecular mass, we have to consider O2. O2 means it is a molecule which is combination of two oxygen atoms. So we have to consider O2. So the O2 weight is 32 AMU. Okay. For example, N2. N2 means 28 AMU. And O3, ozone, which means 48 AMU. Okay. And here another H2, which means 2 AMU. Okay. So like this we can remember molecular mass. next one, molecular weight. Molecular weight. Molecular weight means it is comparison between any element molecule and 1/12 part of C12 isotope. Okay, so here in atomic weight, the comparison between an element atom and 1/12 part of C12 isotope. In molecular weight, the comparison between any element molecule and the 1/12 part of C12 isotope. For example, I am taking O2. O2 means 32 AMU. And here the molecular weight means 32 AMU by 1 AMU. Okay, so AMU gets cancelled and the answer remaining is 32. Okay, so this is the comparison between the any element molecule weight and the mass of 1/12 part of C12 isotope. Okay, so this is molecular weight. And next one, gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass, which means here I am taking O2. O2 means 32 AMU and the atomic weight is, molecular weight is 32 and the gram molecular mass means in grams, so 32 grams. And here H2, which means 2 AMU and 2 grams. This is gram molecular mass, molecular weight, molecular mass. Okay, so these are the basic concepts before going to mole concept. So in mole concept, first one, mole. Mole means any particle have 6.023 into 10^23 particles is known as mole. Okay, any particle have 6.023 to 10^23 particles is known as mole. For example, here I am taking O2, oxygen. Here 2 atoms are there, which means 2 into 6.023 into 10^23 atoms. Okay, or O3. O3 means 3 into 6.023 into 10^23 atoms. Okay, so here this number is also known as avogadro number. Avogadro number. And this avogadro number is also represented as Na or N0 or L. Okay, so this is mole. టుడే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ at the comment box. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అది అలా అనకూడదు, మిగతా కంటిన్యూ